Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening Escape. In this video I will present 5 indoor plants beginners can grow easily at home. As the video progresses, I will share some tips as well. So keep watching the video till the end.
The most easy plant we can grow at our home, balcony or offices is spider plant. Known for attractive foliage with white or green edges, it can easily fit in any pot or hanging basket. Spider plant loves well-draining soil mix that holds moisture for some time. Equal parts of soil, coco peat, compost and sand makes a good potting soil. It doesn't prefer moisture at root zone, so water only when soil feels dry to avoid damages of watering. It doesn't like too much direct sunlight. Because of that, tip of leaves may dry up and look very dull. But if we keep spider plant under partial shade, it will grow beautifully even in an open space. Beside this, feed spider plant with seaweed, compost or balanced NPK at every 20 days. Soon it will multiply itself and fill up the whole pot with dense green and shiny leaves. Another easy to grow plant suitable for indoor spaces is lucky bamboo. It's a very hardy plant that can be grown either in soil media or in sand or in a water bowl. Especially stem cuttings tied with ribbons and decorated with colored pebbles look very attractive. We can keep them in very low light conditions. However, it grows best when exposed to bright indirect sunlight. Lucky bamboo is a low maintenance plant. If grown in soil, watering once in a week and very low fertilization once in every 20 days will be enough. As it grows bigger, stems may look unattractive. We can prune these stems just below a node and propagate new plants using only water or sand. The next low maintenance plant recommended for indoors is snake plant. Currently there are so many popular varieties of snake plant available in nurseries. This type of dwarf broadleaf varieties are suitable for hanging baskets also. This is a quite hardy plant. It can withstand direct sunlight and love continuous moisture in the root zone. However, strong sunlight sometimes leave brown spots. Protection from afternoon sun solves this problem. Occasionally a handful of compost or any balanced NPK will make snake plants happy. Another beginner-friendly indoor plant is Calathea. There are so many species of Calathea we can choose for our viewing pleasure. This is a very easy plant to care for and able to thrive in very low light conditions. If exposed to harsh sunlight, Calathea leaves get burned, so partial sunlight will be ideal. Like spider plant, it multiplies itself by producing suckers, so a porous potting mix along with good drainage can actually benefit the plant. Equal parts of soil, coco peat, compost and sand or perlite makes perfect potting mix. Calathea doesn't like to sit on water, therefore we should water when soil becomes dry enough. Occasional feeding with low doses of seaweed or balanced NPK or a handful of compost around the plant base helps Calathea shine. The most attractive plant of this list is lipstick aglaonema or Chinese evergreen. Again, this is a very easy to grow plant beginners should definitely try. Its glossy leaves with bright red and green combination lights up indoor spaces. This needs very little care but grows very fast. Make a nutrient-rich, well-draining soil with equal parts of garden soil, compost and sand. It doesn't like too much moisture around the roots. That's why we shouldn't add coco peat into the potting soil. Aglaonema evaporates water very fast because of its broad leaves. Watering twice a week in summer and once a week in winter is ideal. Regular feeding with compost, NPK or seaweed keeps aglaonema healthy and promotes suckers. We can propagate new plants from those suckers as well. Care of different houseplants are almost similar. We can prepare same soil mix for all of them. Even same fertilization and same schedule of watering can be followed to grow indoor plants successfully.
Recently, we have made some interesting videos about climbing roses, bougainvillea and houseplants. Check out the description box for the link. And if you are watching our videos but haven't subscribed yet, please do it now guys. It will help us making more videos and we will grow bigger as a community. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.